Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this self-test application in which we have developed to test our own Excel aptitude, and you can use it to solve these algebraic problems too. Okay, so for example, this is our today's problem. We have to find the value of x, whereas this is the expression. There are the two stages to solve. First stage is 30.5 minus x and the root, and within the under root is 31 point, then outcome of this, right? So what is the value of x? So we have developed a system in here, so which is working for you to target a certain value of x, for example. If our target is 5.05, right? So it will work out these two components of the equation. And for example, let me show you. Say, take any example. Say you want 2.35, for example, 2.35, okay? And then we generate. So it will work out for you the problem in which the value of x is going to be 2.35, right? So you have the problem created. You have to hide this thing and present it to the audience to solve this problem, right? To solve this problem, and you know that the answer is 2.35. Similarly, let's get back to 5.05. 5.05, if I say 5.05 is our target value of x, so what would be the value of these two components of the equation? So we will generate it, so it will come up to 30.5. Okay, so this is what we have worked, and we have brought it into our quiz. Yeah, and you know that the value of x is 5.05, right? So we click it here. How did we do this? We have this questionnaire, and we have a database sheet in it in which all the questions are listed chapter wise. Our current chapter is named as Excel aptitude, and we add a new question by simply putting the image in here and writing the question. And in the answer, we give the answer 5.05, and then we use some random numbers, of which one choice has to match with the correct answer 5.05. Okay, so this takes you to this. Okay, so means the quiz automatically picks the image. As soon as you press double click, it keeps going on to the next question and bringing their multiple choice options. And when you attempt the question, it checks whether the right answer matches with what you have selected. And of course, it is going to, yeah. Okay. So when you click any question, so it matches whether your selection is matching with the right answer. If it isn't, it doesn't match, it say no. If you click yes, the right answer, then so this is the automation of um, the quiz system which has been made uh, for you. And of course, you need some system to automate it, right? So for the moment, we have done it's that you generate the quiz. You generate the quiz using this sheet. Yeah, give any value. Let's take another, and let's add a new question right into this. Say we say our target value is say 4.67, for example, should be our x value. Okay, so we generate it. Okay, so the we have to take this thing into our quiz, right? Without we know that answer is 4.67, but we want to take it as a part of our quiz. So what we do is that we take it to we generate it uh, a, a picture image, right? So what we do is we copy this, right? And we take you to the PowerPoint slide, okay? And here we save it, right? And we save it by special paste, we paste it with a special paste, and we use the, say, picture image, yeah, bitmap device independent picture image. So this way you get your problem uh, displayed on a slide. Next you do is you save it. So if I save as, and we go to the browse, in the browse we we change the type to say PNG, okay, and we save it. Hmm? It's, so the device, the project is saved. We say that just this one and this slide is saved, right? So what we do next is to get this image into our database, right? First of all, we add a new question in here. Hmm? We add a new question. Okay, this dialog box comes. We say okay, and we copy these few things below, because we are in the same chapter and with the same question that we have to find the value of x. The next thing is very interesting, that we want that image to bring in here. So we will do insert, and we will go to the picture, inserting a picture from this device. And in here, we select this PNG object, and this comes in here, right? So we make it short so to fit into, because this will automatically be resized. So what we do here is that we first thing we enter is the right answer. What is the right answer? As you know, in our cells, our right answer is value of x is 4.67. Okay, so 4.67. Using apostrophe, 4.67 is the right answer. And here we will give some random numbers, of which one has to be 4.67, for example, this, okay? And this is 4.78, for example, yeah, 4.78. The next is 4.8, say 90, and say 4.15. Okay, so this is the way that our question is now ready, and we can go to the quiz, and we double click for the next question to appear. Okay, so this is our question, right? And of which the right answer is displaying 4.67, right? So if we click here, it will greet us that your answer is right by yes. Otherwise, it will say no. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.